Okay, Rachel and Christy, this is your postcards from home. Say hello, Talia.
Hi, miss you guys. Love you.
And there's Sadie, and she's trying to go away. Sadie, say hi. No? Say hi. Say hello, Mom, Dad. There's Bad Butt. I can't zoom in because it's not letting me. Anything you would like to say, Talia? Besides, hi, I miss you and all that.
See you guys soon. We miss you guys. We love you. I don't really know what to say.
Okay, so stand up and take the camera. Hold on, just wait a second so I can get in the camera. Okay. Okay, girls, me and the dog miss you guys. Say hi. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. And we love you guys. And she's liking to bite me lately because she's a bitch. Get it? She's a female dog. But anyway, we miss you and we love you guys. And you better hurry home soon and all that kind of stuff. So
I think we should go get Eugene on this film.
I'm going crazy without you guys. Having to like not have my lesbians is driving me crazy. Stop it. And I miss you and yeah. Okay, hold on a second. Okay. Say hi to the girls, Eugene. I don't think Eugene wants to be in the video, you guys, but you know, yeah, there's your hello, your little hello. Okay, and now
bye.
Bye. And oh wait, see, I look cute. Look, Rachel, I'm wearing your clothes. See, look okay? Yeah. Wait, there. Is that better? Look okay? I look cute. Well, I'm wearing your shirt, I guess, because it's cute. And I look fly. See the outfit? Look, I look good. Yeah. Whatever. Anyway, I love you guys, and now it's time to whatever. Love you guys. See you soon. Bye.
Please hang up and try again.